Master your materials with precision. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to add items from a purchase order directly into your inventory group, streamlining stock updates like never before. First, head over to your inventory page and select the group you'd like to update. Click on the group card to open its items page. If it's a new group, you'll see a clean message saying, "No inventory items added." Click the Add Items button to begin. From the options presented, choose Add from PO. This opens the purchase order selection panel. Use filters to narrow down the list. Select a vendor, search by PO number or name, then apply filters. Browse the list of available and accepted POs and click the arrow icon to view its details. A side panel slides in, showing all items in the PO. Here, you'll see item names, ordered quantities, editable received quantities, rates, and pending amounts, calculated automatically. Scroll down to enter optional delivery details like vehicle number, bill number, notes, and even upload attachments like delivery notes or invoices. Once everything is reviewed, hit Add. The PO items will now appear in the items table under the selected group. Each item row shows clear breakdowns, source of entry, quantities ordered, received, used, or damaged, plus calculated totals for cost visibility. Need to remove something? Hover over the row, click the three-dot menu, and choose Delete. A confirmation pop-up will ask you to confirm before removing the item. To view delivery details of any PO later, go to the client's dashboard and click the procurement card. In the PO tab, use the three-dot menu on the desired PO and select Delivery Details. With IntoAEC's Smart PO integration, your inventory stays accurate, traceable, and organized, without the paperwork chaos. Add with clarity. Manage with confidence.